Hello, Keith here again on UROM 1, and I want to show you today how you can make this Radiator small nipple protector. I just made a video on it yesterday, and I want to show how it can easily be made. It's homemade out of a piece of 2x4. So what you do is get a piece of 2x4, approximately 6 inches long. You're going to need, in this case, a 1 3/8" hole saw with a drill. And what you do is you drill the hole, and of course you drill the bolt holes, and I'll show how you split it after we get all these holes cut. So I'm going to go ahead now and demonstrate going ahead and cutting the initial hole. I like to do it one side and switch it to the other side. It seems to go easier when you switch back and forth. Got to be careful close to the end. Actually, if I weren't filming this, I'd be doing this on a table because it would be much safer. You got to watch that you don't have your hand on the other side of this when it comes through. There it goes. Okay, so there you have it. We got the initial hole cut in it. From this point, I'm going to switch over, and I've got a drill bit. The all thread that we're going to use on this is the 5/16 all thread. Of course, we have some wing nuts, and on the other side, you're going to want to put just regular 5/16 nuts on it. In this case, these are the coarse thread. So here we go. Next step, I got a long drill bit. I've already marked the hole's location, so here we go. You get your holes marked about 1 inch from the end. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, I'm going to pause here and I'm going to go ahead and drill these holes so you don't have to wait. Okay, I got the holes drilled down through it, and when you get finished, and then it's going to have to be a hole big enough to accommodate a 5/16 all thread. Make sure that the all thread goes through it freely, and then of course you'll have the nut on the other side when you're finished. And so the next step I'm going to do, basically to make it simple. Now I could take it out to a bandsaw, but some people may not have a bandsaw. You're just going to take a good knife, one that you don't care much about. I mean, a hardware knife. That's what I use. And let's see if we can get the camera over here like I want it. I'm going to demonstrate just how I'm going to do this. That'd be pretty easy for anybody to do. A knife that you don't care that much about in a hammer, because you might end up messing up the knife. So I'm just basically going to, because it's going with the grain, it's going to be fairly simple. You go right through split the wood just like this, all the way through. Now you can pull it apart the rest of the way. So there's what you have, okay? So, okay, so this is what you have now. Two pieces just like the one I showed on the video the other day. Now, very simple to make. Just put your bolts with the wing nuts through it. Attach the nuts on the other side, and then there you'll have it. Didn't take long. Make it fairly quickly. Then you just set it on the radiator, and you can catch the short that I made yesterday, which was what, December the 2nd or 3rd of 2025, and it shows you how it fits over the radiator. There's this little small nipple that the recovery hose goes onto. It's made out of plastic, and it just sits over, and you tighten it up around the portion that the cap goes on, then it protects that piece from getting broken off. So there you have it. That's how I made it. Very simple. Doesn't require much. You may have a piece of 2x4 laying around already, so don't have to go out and spend any money. If you save all your old bolts and things, you may even have even a piece of all thread. Of course, you'll have to get it to the right length. You can go out to the, say, Lowe's or somewhere and probably purchase some long bolts, stove bolts that would do the same thing. But that's how I made it. Works well. Protects that little plastic connector that hooks to the hose that goes to the recovery system, and keep you from breaking it. So thanks for watching. If you would subscribe and click that bell, that would really help me out. I'm trying to get my channel going, and I've been working on it a long time, but recently I've decided to go ahead and try to move a little faster with it, see if we can't get it going. So I really appreciate your help in that. Hope you have a blessed day. Take care, and God bless you.